You want to learn how to create beautiful videos for social media with Eli? In this tutorial, we are going to show you a simple workflow to create and edit videos for social media. Eli is easy as you need to think in PowerPoint slides. Each slide becomes a scene in your video, and no complex timeline editing is needed. We at Epic AI Tools try to keep track of the high number of upcoming solutions. If you enjoy this content, please consider following and give this video a like. If you know any other AI tools, please share them in the comment with us. Now let's begin and create a new short video. We can choose from a number of templates, or start a blank video. Now we see our empty video into the format we wanted. Since we do a video about a free text-to-speech tool, we start entering text and we can choose the avatar we want. You can either have the avatar transparent, in circle shape, or not visualize it on the slide. Now we unpick a number of languages. Eli is constantly adding new languages and accents, so you really have a lot to choose. Now let's add some life to our background. Since we talk about audio, let's search for a free audio video in the Element tab. We can activate it as background and do a number of video adjustments, for example, if we want to trim the video or change its speed. Now let's add some text. We can also find it in the Elements tab. Since this is for social media, we want to make sure the video is attractive, therefore we add a sticker GIF, which we can find in the Sticker tab. Voila, now we have our first scene of the video. If you want to view it, just click the play button. We continue with a very simple element and add a short funny thumbs up sequence. For our next slide, we upload a screenshot to show the free text-to-speech website in smartphone size. Once the upload is ready, we can freely use it. To make it more active, we add a fire background, which we find in the Video Elements tab. Now we lower the opacity of the screenshot to 80% and we can see the fire shining through. Let's add the URL and a keyboard GIF plus an arrow to showcase the text input. Now you know the basic workflow. Simply add a new slide and decide how to make it nice. But there is more to cover. Let's check a few more features. Instead of text-to-speech, you can upload a voice here. If you don't want any speech, just determine the lengths of the video here. Also, we can animate content by using the Animation tab. You can also toggle custom animation and set a delay. You want some music? No problem, Eli got you covered. Click in the Music tab and pick one of the many stock songs that fits your video. One problem though, is if you have original audio from a video plus background music, then the tool does not mediate the audio well. But maybe in the future this will be fixed. If you opt for a pro account, you can even upload your own music. Oh, and if you are done with editing, you can render your project here. This may take up to half an hour. But what do we not like about Eli for now? Eli is constantly updating features. That means by the time you watch this video, some of the flaws may already been fixed. If you upload your own videos, even just short sequences, the rendering often leads to terrible results. It's much better to use the videos available in Eli. They run smoothly and won't mess up the rendering. Yes, you can copy or delete individual slides, but you cannot copy between projects. This makes repurposing of content very cumbersome. Rendering the video is another issue. It can sometimes take a long time. There are some cool avatars, but if you want to see them speaking your text, you will have to render your entire video. That is quite annoying, especially if you have a long video. Last but not least, Eli gets very slow when creating long videos like this one where we have over 30 slides. Well, that is how easy Eli works. Mostly, it is a great tool, especially for short videos. Thank you for watching. We're happy you enjoy our content. Please drop a like and follow the Epic AI Tools channel for more inspiration and interesting stuff.